He's gorgeous. And, oh, ooh la la, he is big. But you're scared to death, and you wind up like a frigid old hag. You're two frigid old hag ants. I don't know where that came from. That was weird.
She's never been interested in her gifts. She just made that up.
Come on. Jillian has her own magic.
We all know what it is.
Oh, please. Since when is being a slut a crime in this family?
Oh, honey, what would you know about it? When we put that smell on you for